let me take you through the process step by step of refinancing and what does this look like. Firstly, what is refinancing? Well, it's simply the process of changing banks. Refinancing or setting up a new loan with a new lender to pay out your existing bank with your existing lender. So this is where step one comes into play. Are you looking to reduce your interest rate? Are you looking to reduce your repayments? Do you need to restructure, potentially even consolidate some of your existing lending? Or maybe you just want to go on a dream holiday or purchase your dream car. To understand exactly where you want to go is why we would then look at different scenarios and options as to how you can get there. So step two is to begin the process by reviewing what you currently are on and what your offer is with your current lender. We might be able to negotiate to a cheaper rate. You may be able to release the equity pending evaluation, all with your current lender. And we can help you with completing all of this. So let's say your existing lender can't come to the party. This is where step three comes into play. We'll have a look at all of the other lenders that are available and work out who's going to be best. We may need to do a number of valuations to work out how much equity you've got. It may be a case of putting through pricing to try and get you the best interest rate, or simply who's going to give you the best deal. Once we've got the valuations back, step four is us digging a little bit deeper and understanding if you meet the bank's policy and what they actually require. This is predominantly based around the servicing side of things. So to do this, we're looking at your income comparing to your expenses. We'd have to understand what your income is, and for someone that's PAYG employed, it's usually 2 payslips and potentially an income statement. For someone that's self-employed, we're looking at least 1, maybe 2 years worth of personal and company tax returns. Working with each of the lenders, we'll understand what the capacity is and how much equity you can release. So once we've checked the servicing, it's then a case of being presented with up to 3 different options on the lenders that best suit your needs. Now, it may be interest rates, but it may also be things like repayments, structure, post-settlement service, and I'm talking about internet banking and your telephone app, or maybe just in general, how many fees that you get charged. So once you've selected the lender of choice, step 6 is to complete an application. This requires completing the application form and submitting all required documents such as payslips, identification, in some instances back statements, and we would send this over to the bank to complete their assessment. Depending on the lender, it could take 2 to 3 days for an approval to come through, and once you're approved, that's the green tick to say you can proceed with the application. And the final step is the settlement stage. Once the bank have approved your loan, they issue you out with formal loan documents and a letter of offer. You need to sign these, and they're usually done electronically, and return those along with a certificate of your building insurance to the bank or the bank's solicitors, and then your outgoing plus the incoming bank arrange settlement. Now, you're not required to do this. Simply both bank solicitors will complete the transaction via an online platform. So in summary, we as the mortgage broker are your complete middleman. We look after the whole process for you in terms of assessing what your goals and needs and objectives are. We facilitate the proposals that get sent across. We then work with the lender and submit the application. At the same time, we're lending with you to keep you informed along the way. And don't forget, we're also here for you throughout the whole life of the loan. So any questions you've got in the future, you reach out to us and we help you out. This could include future refinances if your goals and objectives change. If you've got any questions or you're thinking about refinancing, make sure you reach out to us at the Loan Room.